when they're gonna drop the Europe tour, I am gonna record an ENGENE-log. Hi. It's April 14th and enhypen just announced their Europe tour. I'm in the States because I'm doing my exchange year. I'll be back in May, so I'll be in Europe for their tour. I'm thinking Belgium, Brussels, I don't know. We're gonna try the pre-sale. I kind of wanna try for the VIP 1 tickets or VIP 2, like VIP. Okay, I want the sound check, I want the enhypen experience, okay? If I can't get tickets at all, I'm going out the venue and I'm gonna listen to the music from there because I don't care, I'm gonna be there. It's gonna be at 3 a.m. morning, so I have to stay awake. We got the VIPs too, that were the tickets that we wanted because they weren't too expensive for us. I'm gonna see enhypen. Updates! I got back to Italy. I got version 2 of enhypen Lightstick. I'm so happy. I also got my outfit. You're gonna see the final outfit the day of a concert. I'm gonna show it to you because yes. See you when I leave for Brussels. I don't know, probably. Hi, long time no see. Okay. We arrived in Brussels and I didn't record because I forgot, but we're here. It's 12 and we're going to the arena to just like see the entrance and get familiar, and tomorrow is the concert. We got our nails done. My sister made them. Bye bye. We are at an event for like cup sleeve and stuff. There's we just saw Jay and Sonu at the Grand Pass. I'm fine. Okay, this is me after the concert. Like, I'm back home in Italy now. But meeting Jay and Sonu the day before the concert. What? Like, we were just in the Grand Place, I think it's called. And I was like, Rebecca, because Rebecca is the name of my sister. I was like, Rebecca, that's Sonu. I was screaming and just pointing at him. And he had a mask and a hat. But his skin, bro, was glowing. So I was like, that is Kim Sonu. And then I saw Jay behind him. We're like, okay, let's just walk behind them just to see them and like not record, not doing anything. And that's what we did. We were turning the angle because they already had turned. As we turned, they freaking come back. So I was in front of Jay and like, what? So, the lining up was traumatic. We went in like 3 different lines. I don't want to talk about it. We don't know our numbers yet, but she thinks we're gonna be like 170 something. Better than nothing. And enhypen is rehearsing, I think, because there's like music, very loud music coming from inside, so we're going to the airport. Don't know what to say. I'm just so happy. That was like the best day of my life. Okay, story time. We went there around 4:40, 5 a.m. We were like around 30 when we arrived, so we were so happy. But then a group of like 20 people, we just skipped all the line. There were like 20 people, okay, 20. All people started running at like 6-7 a.m. and it was a total mess. We were the security came, we were going back and forth and running and pushing, and it was a mess, okay. But we only got in at 8:30, I think. We were last, like not last, but we were far behind, and we arrived like at the beginning. We were like 30 position, okay, and in the end we would have probably been around the 600s. Fortunately, I found like a friend of mine and her group, and they were like quite a lot in front of us, so we just went with them. We were just 3 people, so no one really said anything. Like they just literally let us skip the line, and so we could at least be a little bit more in front since we arrived at 5 a.m. And then we went to another line. We just chilled. There was a random play dance. We took photos and stuff, okay. And then we got like actually in, and they gave us the numbering. I was 284. Not gonna lie, I was pretty happy because I heard VIP 2 were like around 1,200. So I was really happy with my number. And we just stayed in line. We got merch. I got like this t-shirt and the other t-shirt. We got 2 tickets, Nikki and Jake. Nikki for me and Jake for my sister. They stole my Nikki ticket at the concert because we had the bag that didn't fit in the locker. So it was with us during the concert, and they literally just, it's gone. It's gone. Organization. Except for the morning. But like after they gave us our numbering, when we had to enter for soundcheck, they checked all people in line. They checked their numbers, and we had to go like with our number up so they could see, and we were 2 by 2, so like it was pretty chill after all what happened in the morning. It was really organized after. And we got in, we were like around 8th row. The left side was really empty, but we were anxious, so we just got to the right side and we were like 8th row. When enhypen got in for soundcheck, they were so close. Like who told me that you had to be like 3rd row to see them well? Because I was 8th row and gosh, they were so close, so close. It doesn't really show on video, but they were close. I was like literally throwing up, like, because Jay was in front of me. I wasn't gonna throw up in front of Jay, okay? I wasn't. I saw him looking at me and I was like, ugh, ugh. I'm sorry, Jay, like if I scared you, but I was not feeling well. I didn't drink at all that day. When the concert started, not even like 5 minutes, I swear, we were 3rd row, or like 4th, but like, you know, like we went really in the front compared to where we were doing soundcheck. Sonu was my favorite, not gonna lie. Like his aura was insane. And Jungwon, like, how do you even dance like that? I thought he was gonna rock his body. Like, I thought he was gonna die. Like, there's no way you put so much power into a dance move. I loved all of them. Let's say that. Also, here's the clip. Okay. I think Nicky noticed me. I think he saw my light stick. This was the light stick, like, and you cannot tell me he wasn't looking at me. Also, I don't have the clip, okay, but you can search it on Twitter or X, you know, because Nicky said we were like the best top 5 cities he went to. Also, for my Italian friends, I don't have the videos, so I don't have proofs, but I think Jay and Jungwon saw the banner with the Italian flag, this one. They looked at me, the banner, okay, the sign, and they were just like, and that's it, like, they did that. So if they don't come to Italy next time, bro, this is the end of the vlog. I hope everyone that went to the concert had the time of their lives, because they're really great. They showed us so much energy. Love them so much. I would totally do it again. Even if I didn't have like a very low number and I was dying and I spent so much money, it was all worth it, because they were truly amazing. That, like, they made it worth it.